GoTo Resolve for MSPs is a game changer for your business, and I'm about to explain exactly why. If you're looking for a tool to streamline your MSP operations, improve customer service, and drive efficiency, this software could be the solution you've been searching for. But is it really the best choice? Stick around, because we're going to dive deep into its features and compare it to others in the market. First, let's talk about what GoTo Resolve does for MSPs. At its core, this software is built to simplify remote IT management. It combines remote support, IT automation, and system monitoring all in one platform. This means your team can quickly resolve customer issues without jumping between tools. It's all integrated, which saves time and helps you stay focused on what matters, growing your business. Next thing, GoTo Resolve excels in providing remote desktop support. This is crucial for MSPs, where remote assistance is often the go-to solution for resolving client issues. You can access a client's device in real time, run diagnostics, troubleshoot, and even fix the problem right there. It's fast, reliable, and customizable for different client needs. But it's not without competition. Tools like TeamViewer and AnyDesk offer similar features, but they tend to fall short in one key area: scalability. While GoTo Resolve is optimized for MSPs and scales easily as your business grows, some other solutions can become clunky or require additional licensing costs as your team expands. So, while TeamViewer's remote access is great, it's often more suited to a one-off IT support scenario, not the ongoing needs of an MSP. The fourth thing to consider is GoTo Resolve's built-in automation. It's not just about fixing problems as they arise, it's about preventing them in the first place. With automated tasks and alerts, GoTo Resolve ensures that your team can act proactively rather than reactively. And when things do go wrong, you can easily follow up with automated reports, making the process of documentation and billing much more straightforward. Now, let's talk about pricing. GoTo Resolve offers competitive pricing for MSPs, but it's important to note that it can get expensive as you add more features and users. While it's a good option for growing businesses, if you're just starting out or need a lighter solution, you might find better value elsewhere. There are plenty of alternatives that offer great core features at a more budget-friendly price point, like NinjaRMM or Adara. Both of these platforms provide excellent remote monitoring and management capabilities with lower entry costs. Here's the thing, GoTo Resolve might be a game changer for some MSPs, but it's not always the best fit for every business. If you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, GoTo Resolve is definitely a solid choice. But if you want something that's more flexible, customizable, or cost-effective, you might want to look at some of the alternatives I've mentioned. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that if you're interested in GoTo Resolve, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can get an extended free trial, giving you time to explore all the features before committing. But I've also included links to some amazing alternatives that might be better suited for your goals, and they come with free trials too. This way, you can choose the right solution for your business needs with no risk involved. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your best free trial and exclusive benefits.